Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I see a lot of people coming back to me worried when you should not be worried about the bug fixing updates that have arrived this week for a Windows 11 24H2 not showing up on your PC. It doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. Don't start thinking you should try something, do something. Your PC is new, is old, is it doesn't matter. Just go on with what you have to do. It doesn't matter. It will anyways be part of Patch Tuesday updates. And if you have zero issues, who cares about this update? The bug fixing updates are not showing up for a lot of people. And in my case, they have shown on two PCs, and there's this PC, the main one I'm using for making the videos, has not gotten the update. So it's the way it is. Something probably on Microsoft's side means it's being sent to specific machines, but still ignoring other machines, meaning it will have some fix probably that they need to do that will happen before Patch Tuesday of March. The important thing is the Patch Tuesday updates. Those are security updates. Those, if they don't show up, it's not normal most of the time, and there's something that, is wrong. The update previews, that's why they call them update previews. They are not kind of definitive. They could be tweaked or fixed before official release, which will happen with Patch Tuesday because they have to be there for Patch Tuesday. So just don't worry about it. It doesn't matter. It's like, every time I say stop looking at the updates installing themselves. What is making you stressed out is looking at, whatever percentage is there, and it seems to be stuck on one percentage. And now you start worrying that maybe it's not normal. It's like everything is normal in the Windows updates. Just don't look at the updates when they happen, and especially now, this month, do not worry if it doesn't show up. It might show up, tomorrow. It might show up next week. It might even just be part of Patch Tuesday updates when they arrive. So don't worry about it, okay? And just go on using your PC as usual. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.